Do you feel nervous or what did you?
Yeah, in the first time, of course, this is my first time and my first experience. I felt nervous and I'm afraid if the examinee or the student can answer my question or maybe they don't understand what I say, like that. I have a big expectation for them.
What do you think about this oral examiner? If you find students which difficult for answering maybe or nervous or what we say forget for the answer and other, so what will you do to her?
Okay. But in the first that I see the student maybe they can't answer the question, I will show my support to them that sister with human thing first because that you have studied last night.
So what do you think, Miss Liza? If you find students, the examinee, that she very clever for answering the question from you, maybe she feels like I'm better than my partner, maybe like that.
Arrogant like that.
Yes,
Okay.
arrogant. So what do you do?
Of course, if you see the student or examinee who show us the arrogant face, we will, as our vice director say, if you found the student who almost answering the good or the right question all, we don't give her anymore the easy question or maybe some question that make her think anymore and can let her arrogant feel like that.
What do you think about this oral examination? What the importance?
How important this
Yes.
oral examination in our life like that? This oral examination is very examine our mental, right? Even to the examiner also, we need to prepare our mental properly because we face this by oral. Can you answer it connectly with the question, but she have answered it very friendly and very confidently, but the answer also not connect even little with the question like that.
About this all the stories, what do you think on an oral examiner should be strict or friendly or how?
If that's all by strict, friendly, or natural, it's depend on the student. It depend on the student. Then we know when we must be friendly, when we must be strict, and when we must be natural. Like that.
If you could advise to the students about before preparing the oral examination.
Students, Darussalam, please, before you face this oral examination, you guys final grade, this is this very last examination for you. You never face this oral examination anymore. After this, you just have to face the written examination. Then the oral examination is the last. Meanwhile, me myself, I examine in English lesson or English language that Gontor have give us a lot of experiences to speaking, to learning about language, right? Then if I say to you guys, please show the best of you in this last change maybe or last opportunity for you, please for you study well, of course, and prepare yourself. Maybe you have the schedule for the oral examination in English language in Sunday, then you need to prepare it from last Sunday. It may be 1 week for you to prepare, like you may speak always with your friend, even though if your room speak by your language, yeah, this English language and Arabic language fluently with your friend. Then you must have a training first, yeah, because we have to prepare.
Alright.
Yeah, if you know that yourself, yeah, sister, do you listen to me all? That you know that you have a lack of vocabulary, maybe, or maybe I don't know how to pronounce this word, maybe like that. You have a lot of teachers, right? Maybe if you're shy to ask your teacher, I'm sorry, you can ask it to your clever friend, maybe from class 6B or another class that you know. I have my friend that, as we say in this boarding school, British person, maybe, like that. So, yeah, I hope you guys please have the good preparation. And yeah, you must keep in yourself that this is my oral examination. I must show my best, like that, because yeah, if you show your best, we as examiner, of course, like what we say is give and give, or maybe the feedback. You show your struggle, we show also our best struggle to you. We give you the big attention to your question. You also, your answer. You also give us the big attention for our question. Then we have the feedback in this oral examination.
Okay.
Like
Alright. Then the preparation must from the far days.
Yes,
like that.
that's true.
Then the study, not only the day before
the oral examination.
Okay.
That's true.
Not only the day before oral examination.
Or maybe just last night.
Okay, yes, that's it's very no, yes, because especially the study about the lesson about language, then you have to practice from now.
Yeah,
right?
that's
yes.
true.
And this advice also maybe not only for classics.
Yes.
Because this also very suitable and relatable with all you class 1 to class 5. Yeah, and you have to prepare yourself because you will face the examination too, right? In every year, in every semester, every what we say, every
Semester.
yes, every semester. Yes, every semester.
1 year is twice, right?
Yes, a year is twice. How do you feel about your examination? How do you feel? Do you feel enough from your examination, your last examination? So if you feel enough, so don't stop to study.
Yeah.
You have to study. You have to learn. You have to learn and you have to learn. And you have to practice. Don't stop to practice.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Alright, maybe until here, Miss Liza.
Okay.
Thank you for your nice story. You're sharing your experience.
Okay.
You have shared us that and we wish this will useful for us,
Amin.
for me, for the listeners, for the Darussalam citizens. Yes, for you all. And don't forget about the advice from Miss Liza. All right. And that wraps up today's episode of our sharing time. Thank you so much for sharing, Miss Liza.
Yes, with pleasure.
Okay. With that, it's understanding the examiner and also the examinee will have a good and give their best on their oral examination.
Amen.
Okay. To everyone, listeners, remember, an oral examination isn't just about answering questions, yeah, but it's about communicating confidently, showing understanding, and staying composed. Okay, and the examiner also is not enemy, yeah, and don't wish the teacher, the examiner, will give you the the friendly or kindly, except if you can answer the question from the teachers well. Okay, thank you, and thank you for listen. Thank you for listening, and thank you for coming, Miss Liza.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yes, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.